Today I will tell you top skills that will help you to survive in this AI era. Most people think AI proof means technical skills or coding or working in healthcare, but that's wrong. AI proof means the skill requires human judgment, creativity or context that AI generally cannot replicate. Let's get into it. Video editing and content creation. AI can generate content, but it cannot build an audience. The global creator economy is now worth over $480 billion and it's still growing. Brands, businesses, and individuals are all competing for attention online. What they need is someone who understands storytelling through video, who can edit with emotion, pace a scene, and make someone feel something. AI tools like Runway and CapCut are amazing, but the humans who know when to cut, when to pause, and what music fits, that irreplaceable. Next is cybersecurity. Right now, there is a 4.8 million unfilled cybersecurity job worldwide. The cybersecurity workflow needs to grow by 87% just to meet current demand, and it's keep falling short. Why? Because this field doesn't just need people who know code. It needs people who can think like attackers, who can anticipate behavior, understand human psychology, and make real time decisions under pressure. AI can detect patterns, but it cannot think strategically. That's why cybersecurity professionals will remain untouchable for at least the next decade. Next is storytelling and communication. Here's something no one talks about enough. AI can generate words, but it cannot move people. Storytelling is how humans transfer, build trust, and lead movements since the beginning of time. In business, the person who can walk into a room and make others care about their idea wins every time. Whether it's a pitch, an interview, a product launch, or a YouTube video. Storytelling is the skill that multiplies every other skill you have. And McKinsey's data confirms it. Roles requiring complex communication have less than 15% automation risk through 2030. Deep work, creativity, and critical thinking. Average person checks their phones 69 times a day. Deep focused work is genuinely become rare, and that's make it incredibly valuable. AI is great at pattern recognition, but creative thinking, coming up with completely new approach to an old problems, that's a human skill. The WEF's Future of Job Report 2025 last year ranks creative thinking as the second most important skill of the future of work, right after AI literacy. The ability to sit with a hard problem, think deeply, and produce original ideas, that's not something you can automate. Next is AI literacy, using AI tools. Number one, and listen carefully. This isn't about being scared of AI, it's about using it. 88 of organizations now use AI in at least one function. Workers with AI skills earns 56% more on average than peers in equivalent roles. 56% more for the same job title. AI is not replacing people, it's replacing people who don't know how to use AI. And most people are still confused about where to start. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Midjourney, Runaway. You don't need to master all of them. You need to pick one, go deep, and understand how to use it to make your existing skill 10x more powerful. That's the real skill. Not coding, not machine learning. Just knowing how to work with AI, not against it. If this video helped you, drop a comment. Tell me which skill you are starting with. Like, subscribe, and I will see you next one.